feel sick as a dag. But could be worse, kids. Could be in the UK. Could be in work. And no. I'm here. Pretty sweet. I'm looking for a climb. Blew all the way up. Called a never-ending story. Looks pretty windy and long. And then I want to get to the black trail, which is called the Plumber. But Plumber 1 is closed, so I'm going to have to try and cut across to Plumber 2 and 3. But it's quite spicy, so we will see. Fucking baboons, John, baboons. Right there. So human-like. Plumber 3. So I just told myself I wasn't going to do a black and I was going to do red Phoenix, but I am fucking nuts. Oh, let's see. Take it easy, boy. The loose stuff I'm not really a fan of. Oh, that's fucking fruity, mate. Probably too fruity to be doing on your own. Fucking late now, isn't it? In a minute. Plumber 1 is closed, so that is pretty freaking tired now. That is fruity. Fuck. And now. Oh, it's actually rollable. Ah, it's fucking cramp though. So I did Plumber 3, entered Plumber 2, and I don't know if those you've done it, it's like a mega rock garden. As soon as I entered it, cramp in both quads, so I've canned it. I'm gonna do Red Phoenix 2 back down at the bottom. Fucking hell, do that. Rim dinger. Don't get a puncture, I've only got a fucking tube for 26. Oh man, my quads are fucking Romeo'd. Oh, cramping like a bastard. Red Phoenix 1. Oh, I might even make it to the bottom with my fucking quads. Quadzilla. Oh, just sit down. Last bit. Fuck it out. Romeo done. I'm fresh out of water. Drunk 3 litres of my Camelback, half a litre when I had a break. So I'm limping it back, limp home mode.